Sideways like you doubted it's a row, throwing colors that refuse to settle now. I've been living in the murmur of a truth that won't reveal itself, circling meanings that keep slipping out of sound. Got a soul that quivers like a wire curled too tightly, humming under skies that never chew the hue. Every answer that I chase turns crooked in my hands, leaving questions I can't see my way through. Oh, I'm just dust on the wind line, baby, rising where the cold road's been. Life's been heavy on my shoulders lately, but I keep moving, friend to friend. Ain't no promise in the sunrise, honey. Still I taste it like it's calling me home. Hard life taught me how to keep on singing, even when I'm thinning at the edges. Man, a voice once tell me sorrow shapes the sinner. Said the heart grows sharper when it learns to sway. But I've been finding that the lessons come in fragments, never falling where I'd need on to stay. Still the memories flare up like a lantern in a crosswind, blinking in and out like they can't decide to shine. Maybe one of them remembers where the quiet lives. Maybe one of them can read the signs. Oh, I'm just dust on the wind line, baby, rising where the cold road's been. Life's been heavy on my shoulders lately, but I keep moving, friend to friend. Ain't no promise in the sunrise, honey. Still I taste it like it's calling me home. Hard life taught me how to keep on singing, even when I'm thinning at the edge. Turns crude, I lift my voice on the rail. Let the tremble shape the sorrow from my spine. Ain't much freedom in the life I'm living, but there's something sweet in knowing it's still mine. Oh, I'm just dust on the wind line, baby, rolling where the long roads roam. Life keeps hitting like to break me, but I keep singing on my way back home. Ain't no promise in the sunrise, honey. Still I taste it like it's calling me home. Heart like carved into something stubborn. I ain't done standing on my